guys, and welcome back to my channel, C Panda Crafts. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Wendy, and I'm gonna be sharing a little home tour with you guys today. I'm gonna be showing you guys my living room, my dining room, and my kitchen, and how I have decorated it for fall, as well as inserting a few clips of some Dollar Tree DIYs that I did for the decor. I am going to be decorating my bedrooms and bathrooms later. I'm not really concerned about those right now. Since this is our first fall season in this house, I'm really excited and I'm really happy with how it turned out. We just bought this home in May, so we've been doing home improvements and things like that, and I'm so happy because I finally got to decorate for a season here, our first season. So I'm really excited to share that with you guys. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay, so right when you walk in my home, you see the entryway and the hallway and the living room off to the left, and then the dining room and the kitchen. So I'm gonna go ahead and start right in the dining room. So I bought this buffalo check fabric at Walmart, and I think it was like around $3.50 a yard. So I think I altogether got 3 yards because I didn't know what projects I wanted to do, but I just folded it to make a table runner. And then right here I just have some old charger plates that I actually painted white a long time ago, and then a green plate, and I believe this is from Walmart. It is a Mainstays brand, a green plate, and then I just have these gather plates, these gather bread plates that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. I have some pumpkins from last year from the Dollar Tree, and then this is just a sign from the Dollar Tree that I painted the back, and then I put on a blessed sticker off of one of those, I think, Main Street wall decals. Then right here I have this little wooden crate with some vintage bottles in it that I picked up at a swap meet. And so I think it's really cute how it turned out, and I just have some fall floral sticking out. And so yeah, I think it turned out really cute. Then over in the kitchen, I have kind of like this bar area, or like this high top area. So I just have this really pretty jar, and I actually added water to it to make the flowers look more realistic, the Dollar Tree flowers. I think these are hydrangea, so you have like this really beautiful rust colored hydrangea, and then this like deep plum with a vintage doily that I picked up at a yard sale. And then over here I just have a Dollar Tree fall leaves candle burning, and it smells amazing. And then walking over here, I just took this really cute owl that I picked up at the Dollar Tree, and I put him on top of my microwave. And then over here I have like my little coffee bar area, so I have all of my favorite mugs hung up for fall. And this is actually from the Dollar Tree. It's like a behind the door hanger, and I don't know if it's gonna show, but I have it hanging on my backsplash tile, or whatever this is. And so yeah, I think it turns out really cute. And then I just have another Dollar Tree candle. This is a mocha scented candle on my tiered tray with some floral and some cinnamon for my coffee, as well as this sign from the Dollar Tree. And you'll see a lot of Dollar Tree items. This is not sponsored, by the way. And then I have this Dollar Tree little jar filled with some of my favorite teas. And then over here by the stove, I'm gonna go ahead and start right here with this layered rug. Now this is those cute little fringe rugs that I picked up recently from the Dollar Tree, and I think it looks so cute. And I actually made this. So on this side it says home, and then all I did for this was I took a one of those felt pumpkin placemats from the Dollar Tree, and then some white paint, and I just stippled paint around it to make this cute little pumpkin rug that I'm layering in front of my stove. So right here, I just have a Dollar Tree sign hanging on a command hook. And this space, when it's empty, it just doesn't look right. So I love the fact that I can just use a command hook and hang different Dollar Tree signs right there. I think it's perfect. Then right here, I just have a vase with some of that faux wheatgrass or wheat. And then the buffalo check set from the Dollar Tree. And then I just have these layered tea towels from the Dollar Tree. So underneath it says blessed. And I just think it turned out really cute. And then over here, I have, and you'll see this color a lot because this is kind of the color I was going for. I painted a lot of things like this green color. This is just a green leaf tray from the Dollar Tree, and it is burning the spiced pumpkin candle. And then this is just a little sign or a little picture that I created with a placemat from the Dollar Tree, and I will go ahead and link that video. It's a farmhouse DIY. And then I don't know if you guys remember this book from last year, but it is a really, really nice cookbook called Chelsea Market Makers. And I have it on display all the time in my kitchen. And so that is it for the kitchen and the dining room. I think it turned out really cute. I'm really happy with how it turned out. And we are going to be repainting the dining room a light gray. The red is just too dark for this room. It's just on our to-do list. This was the original color that the previous homeowners had, and it just doesn't go with what we want. We want a lighter color. So moving along into the living room. All right, so over here on my entryway table or buffet entertainment thing, I don't know what to call it, but I distressed this. This was all brown, but I kind of tried to make it look old. A long time, years and years ago. I think it's been about 5 or 6 years, but those are my kids' shoes, so don't pay attention to that. But right here, I have a Dollar Tree scarf as well as this vase from the Dollar Tree that I just painted white and kind of rubbed some paint off. And then I used some of that faux wheat. And I actually, there's like little leaves on them, and I took them off because it made it look really fake with those on. So I actually took those off. And then right here, I just used one of those stickers from that wall decal pack, and I put it on here to where it says thankful. And right here is also a Dollar Tree canvas to go along with my farmhouse theme. And then right here I have this welcome friend sign from the Dollar Tree. I didn't need to do anything to it. It's just so cute. And I also have this Glade pumpkin spice candle burning. And then right here, I actually made this back in, I want to say March. I did it for my spring decor, and all it is a poster board with some Dollar Tree frames glued to it with E6000. I will leave the link in the description box to that video. It was like my, it was like 12 Dollar Tree spring DIYs or something. So I decorate this for the seasons, and I just made this garland using the Dollar Tree leaves, and then all I did was tie them around on a piece of twine, and then I painted these little pumpkin clip-ons, like a green color to go with all of the green that I wanted to incorporate into my decor this year. And then right here, I just have one of those like really rustic cut pumpkins, as well as a previous DIY I've done years ago, and it's just a painted wine bottle with some twine and some floral leaves that I hot glued on. And then I have just my Yankee Candle fall warmer. All right, so next in my living room, on my sofa table, I have some decor, and all I did for this was take some old books that I use for crafting or junk journaling, and I just ripped the covers off, and I put another one of those decals on top with some twine and wraps it around. It looks really cute in Farmhouse. And then I also have another Dollar Tree little candle votive right here on top of a doily that I also picked up at a garage sale with a pumpkin spice Dollar Tree tea light. And then over here, I just have this really cute thankful sign from the Dollar Tree. And then this crate, I think I picked up from the Target Dollar Spot a long time ago. And then I just have some Dollar Tree bottles in here, and then also some of that raffia. I have some Dollar Tree shakers, salt and pepper shakers in here, and a lot of floral, as well as that green color that I've been incorporating. I painted this little thing from the Dollar Tree and stuffed it with some raffia and some floral. And these are actually like little knobs. These are those glass doorknobs. They're vintage. This one was actually from my room growing up, and I've been collecting them because I want to eventually change out all the doorknobs in my house to these old vintage doorknobs. So over here, I just have this basket that I picked up for $1 at the swap meet. And then I just have some potpourri, some pumpkin spice potpourri from the Dollar Tree, as well as some little pumpkins. Here is my living room. And so I have another one of those scarves from the Dollar Tree, as well as this little tray. No, this wasn't from the Dollar Tree, I apologize. This is from Goodwill, and I actually painted it white. And then this little bucket I got from the Dollar Tree, and then I just put some really pretty floral in here, that cream hydrangea, and then like the deep plum hydrangea with these really pretty, I don't think these are called dahlias. But, and then I just have a little pumpkin, and this is where I keep like our remotes for the TV and everything. And then on my couch, I have these buffalo check pillows that I believe I picked up at TJ Maxx, and I think they were $20 or somewhere around there for both of them. So about $10 a piece. So I picked those up. And then over here on our entertainment center, I actually painted this. I picked this up for free on a local like buy sell trade. Someone was throwing it away, and I picked it up, and I was like, no, I can repaint that. So I fixed it up. And so over here I have some like candle pillars that I painted a long time ago, and then I just put one of these little Dollar Tree pumpkins up there. This I picked up at a swap meet for I think 50 cents, and it is glass. And I've seen those at like Marshall's and Ross for like $12.99, so I was really happy to find that. And then I have this cute little Hello Fall sign with the little red truck, and then another vintage bottle, or not vintage bottle, I'm sorry, another wine bottle that I painted a few years ago, and then hot glued some fall floral. And then I just have a little scent warmer right here with a Dollar Tree garland kind of going in front of my sound bar, and then another Dollar Tree sign. And so that is the living room. Here I just have this like area where we hang our hats and purses, or my purse and everything. So right here I just have a Dollar Tree pumpkin, a couple of Dollar Tree pumpkins right here, and then I made this using a Dollar Tree candle, and then I just took one of those little wooden stickers and I hot glued it to the front, and then just took some twine and wrapped it around. Super simple DIY. And then another Dollar Tree little wooden piece decorative piece. And then this little guy, I actually have been trying to figure out things, and I've done a couple of DIYs with these little boxes, but I thought it would be really cute to give him a little house. So all I did was hot glue him in that little shadow box, and then I added a simple raffia bow to the top, and oh, this is dusty up here. I need to dust that. So yeah, that's all I did for him. And then for the little Hello Fall sign, it was Glitter City with that, and I wasn't a fan. So I just took that scarf making material from the Dollar Tree. I don't know if it's like crochet or yarn or what it's supposed to be, but all I did was I hot glued one spot in the back and just began wrapping it all the way around until I got to the top, and then I kind of just crisscrossed it at the top and then hot glued it in the back, and I really like how it turned out. I think the green colors that are in that fabric turned out really, really nice, and it tied in well with the rest of my decor. And then right here is just another bottle that I painted and had done years ago.